Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Switch here. With another video about the mining cryptocurrency game. Actually super excited about this project, and at some point when I will have money, I probably will buy those toys from that project. So what's all about? Basically, the application is called Toygers, and it's providing us with ability to mining the yacht currency. You're doing this by just pressing this wheel here, and then you can just scroll that. And it's crap on the desktop, I'm gonna be honest with you. It's like really not like designed for desktop. So what you wanna do, you just wanna open this app on your phone, and basically that's gonna take you like I reckon 30 seconds. So I have this wheel right now on the phone, and then you can just do like so, which is going to be literally well, it's not showing us on the desktop, but it's done basically right now. It's done. So I'm just saying that because on the phone it's much faster. So what's all about? We're just mining the currency. That currency is going to be at some point some airdrop. So basically everything what you earn here, you will have some tokens in the ton tokens. So where is the that's the earn button. You can go here and you can access the other Telegram accounts, which basically you just press join, you're getting the equivalent of whatever it is, 20,000 yachts, and basically you can just remove that account. It's not like you need to be there. So that's actually like super good to do, because you can just join random accounts on Telegram and you can just go back. I'm in the middle of doing that, so I will end up with much more value in that yacht currency. Then we have something like collection, and then for that yacht you can actually buy physical toys. Well, maybe not for the yacht, but for the amount of USDT or whatever cryptocurrency is going to be. But the idea is to actually grind that cryptocurrency through that cryptocurrency on that game, if that makes sense. So basically, one more time, we're just basically mining that yacht, and then they're just gonna do the airdrop, and that airdrop will give us basically tokens to be able to buy toys within the game. So the idea, it's cool. I don't really know how efficient it's going to be to not really, you know, use any your own money, but like I said, idea is amazing. That's why I chose to basically join that project. So I will be probably scrolling that on a daily basis, and we'll see what happened. I didn't really read anything more about what I'm telling you right now. So what I'm trying to say, they probably will be announcing the airdrops or something like that. But either way, it's amazing to join that project, and it will be even more amazing if we actually can get access through just playing the game to have access to getting the toys. And the reason only why I know that, because obviously I joined the BOINKERS game, which is that shit game. Where is that? It's here. Can I just open this for a second? I assume you all know that game, but obviously every game has some other advertising for the other games. So basically, in the BOINKERS game, I've seen this one, and it's not like I'm joining everything, or maybe I'm joining just to take the whatever we're going to get from it. But then I just check in. Generally, it's not like I'm just dumping the first I joined and I'm just dumping on the channel. Genuinely, I want to buy some toys here. They're not like super expensive, unless you don't have any money, then they are. But at some point, I think I don't mind to spend like $77. That's gonna be right. So I don't mind to buy like one toy for $77. I will do the desk behind me, so you will see eventually. So that's my goal at some point, to buy one, because then apparently you will have better airdrops and more stuff from them because you're supporting them, so they just want to support you. So like I said, I think that the idea of having the collectibles, which it's just the specific amount of them. Like for example, we have the shitcoin, which is this one. The first ever physical mark of BOINKERS, limited to 777 units. So I think the idea is brilliant, it's amazing, and honestly, if you have guys money, there's no like it's no brainer, because maybe they're not really worth it much right now, but like 20 years from now, if you're actually gonna buy this and you're not going to open that at all, then you probably can sell this like for fucking 10,000 pounds, whatever, euros at some point. So it's like, I think this is no brainer to invest into that, especially if you have some spare money to do so. So this is pretty much, that's it what I want to say. Definitely on this channel I will be diving into lots of games from Telegram account. I just realized you can connect all the games into one wallet, into one Tonk wallet. So obviously I don't have money to spend, but even if I could, I don't really want to spend money on it. Like my idea is to show some other ways to maybe get something from it, like I'm talking about the money. So we'll see about that. Obviously there's going to be much more here on this channel. I already enrolled to, I can show you right now, well, joined to TSUBASA game, which I kind of enjoy because it's like card game, and my background is like 20 years of playing Magic the Gathering. So that's why I will be introducing you on the physical card games as well, which is V Friends by Gary V. If you don't know who Gary V is, you should Google him and join his channel, so you will be on the right path like us, like I am, to create your own business. And obviously, if you want to open up your business like I did a month ago, yes, but you don't have any money from it. Like, fuck it, that's not the point. The idea is in the head. The money will follow. If you're just concerned about the money and you don't have any passion, you probably won't achieve anything in your life. You'll be just fucking stuck in some fucking warehouse 12 hours per day from Monday to fucking Saturday, and then figuring out, oh, maybe Sunday I'm supposed to work as well to get more money. So that doesn't work like that. You have to have some passion. Don't give a fuck about the money for like 5 years or 10 years, and then eventually you will get good money from it. So I just realized my passion is basically learning AI, but I might be turned into playing just games from Telegram, because at the end of the day I'm a huge fan of playing the games, and if we can make money from it, I will teach you and I will teach myself as well, because I'm like clueless with cryptocurrencies, wallets and shit, but I'm like genuinely hooked already, like after a few days. So yeah, that was what I was been doing for, well, yesterday. Well, I want to say a couple of days, but not a couple of days. Yesterday a little bit started, and today like trying to get the partnerships, as you can see, trying to dive into the games. So I might right now postpone even for a week or two, or fuck knows, maybe a month, with the lessons of the wealthy affiliate, because well, I know I need to learn them to have more understanding of what's going on, but I already see like myself, like I have understanding of what's going on. So I'm just diving into, obviously, get more partnerships, get more games to introduce you to those games. So I will choose some games and I will play them on daily basis, and I might even record an hour video like I'm playing every game every day, because at the end of the day, like, I'm genuinely hooked into those projects, and I will be playing the games, so I can just play the game and in the same time explain to you what's going on. If you want to dive more into those projects. The fun fact is, like, we don't really have spent any money. You just need the Telegram account, and pretty much that's it. When you have the Telegram account, you can play those games for free, and the wallet you just creating within the Telegram account as well. So it's on the channel. I've done the video as well, but it's like self-explanatory. You don't need to know anything, because that's the beauty. I don't know anything, and I'm doing everything. So that's the beauty of playing the games these days. Like, it's like super self-explanatory. Righty, so 10 minutes, that was it. Introduction to the Toygers, and obviously the ref links are going to be below my video for every game I'm going to play. So you can add me as a friend, which is going to help me mining more yachts, which ultimately means I can buy toys and put in my room, so you will see what's going on, because every person who joined my ref link, I will get something from you. It's like level 1 as a Toygers ambassador, invite friends to and score yacht rewards on all their daily earnings. So all your daily earnings will give me some rewards. So that's cool, I guess, but I don't have any friends, so I don't know about that. But one more time, if you wanna join me, obviously currently I'm running 4 projects, but one is like super massive, so I don't really want to introduce you to that yet. Well, I can tell you it's called the HAMSTER universe or hamster combat. So if you never came across that game, like hamster combat, and you don't know what the fuck is going on, just dive into it, because it's going to be basically like 120 million people playing already that game. I'm just gonna maybe I will do the separate video, so that because that's kind of interesting, but you don't really get any value from it. But the thing is, like, you will have a cryptocurrency from that game. So I'm just gonna show you like a quick look of what's that. Hamster combat, just definitely look that game. I will do like weekly videos about like review of the games I'm joined, because I will be like basically searching every fucking game in that Telegram, and we are going to connect every fucking game to that Tonk wallet, and we'll see what happens, because genuinely the idea is to have some profit from playing those games, but also in the same time keeping the fun factor, because if you're just going to play the game to have the money, then just don't fucking play it. I genuinely like the hamster game. It's a quick snap of what's going on. The hamster interlude results, 160 million people already playing. I just been lucky to play like 1.5 day. It was a beta and they just finished, so I've mined 439 diamonds within 2 days. Those diamonds you will be able to transfer into your hamster coins, hamster interlude results. And then there's going to be airdrop, season 1 airdrop. It's going to be available on September 26th. So basically, you should, guys, dive into that project and basically play the mini games on your phone. You're not really able to play on the desktop unless you can try to use maybe the what's the code of that app, BlueStack, right? So unless you might try it on the BlueStack, but I don't think so they're gonna be working. So I will do the separate video about this, because I'm genuinely excited about this game. I played the mini games, they are fucking amazing. The project is amazing, and at the end of the day, we can actually make money from it. So this is like even much more so amazing. Like, you will like this. Like, who doesn't like hamsters, right? I had the hamster as a kid, so maybe that's why I'm into it. Hamster thing, and another one which I'm going to do separate video as well currently is the Captain Tsubasa. It's a sort of card game. It's basically everything just happen without you playing the game. So you're just pressing a little bit to what you want to buy. I'm just gonna introduce you right now to it, but I will do the separate video as well. So we are on my account right now, and basically what you do, you're just basically pressing team, and you have few labels over there, such as players, coach, manage, stadium, and the specialist. And basically you just spending your points, which is the balls in that case. And let's say I'm just gonna press the scout level. Well, I can't afford because it's too expensive, but there's something I can afford. Okay, so we have the Ryo Ishizaki, and he's giving us the profit per hour, and then basically that profit per hour we can just level up to have more profit per hour, and this is the amount of balls we need to spend. So I'm just gonna press level up, and obviously my amount dropped down, which we have 24,000 right now, and I can just level up Tsubasa, and then actually I never was like a big fan of Tsubasa, but the thing is this game is also an airdrop. So those games are purely airdrops, guys. So you can just basically join Tsubasa game for like literally 2 minutes, just dump all coins, that's it. You don't give a fuck anymore. And then obviously connect your wallet within, and then they will do the airdrop. You always have everything explained in somewhere in some tab with like the options. Like we have tasks, we have events. There's going to be some events. You have the tasks which you can just join the whatever Telegram X account. If you don't have it, just make it, because just make much easier to gather lots of points. Then we have the wallet. We can access the wallet, we can connect the wallet, and then important strategy tip for airdrop, remember it. So total balls, unlock comic cuts counts, so that's gonna be probably in the future. Unlock player counts, players level some another extra stuff is going to be announced. Total task completed, friends, and subscription. So obviously everything what you're gonna do within that's gonna count to the airdrop. Airdrop itself, we don't know that. I assume there is going to be lots of newses on those all medias, which I'm not following it because I just have so many ideas and so many stuff. Like I'm actually right now producing my own album as an NFTs, and so I'm like it's fuck me, I just don't know what the fuck is going on, but I'm just like fucking Jim Carrey from Yes Man, but I'm not saying yes to crap, I'm just saying yes to every fucking opportunities. So it's crazy good, I'm crazy excited. Stay tuned for more if you want to obviously know more about the games to earn cryptocurrencies. It will be fuckloads of this, like, but I'm genuinely just going to choose what I enjoy the most. So it's not going to be just every game, because I already checked like 4 or 5s on top of that. I played a bit, I don't like it, so fuck it. I'm not gonna I just don't want to promote products I'm not happy. So obviously I probably should go with everything, so then I will gather more people, or I can be like a newsman from Telegram. But I genuinely believe like there are going to be people out there who like the games, those games, and they will try those games as well. Okie dokie. So thank you very much, guys, one more time. Fucking hell, 70 minutes was 9 when I thought I'm going to finish off, but I was carry on with the other games. So all the referrals is going to be below the video. Currently running some 1 month partnership, well, quote unquote, you know what I mean, like from the Streamlabs. So if you wanna support me, basically help me to improve or pay my bills, whatever, so you can just genuinely download that game in the left corner, which is called the King of Avalon, and just genuinely just play and make like, I don't know, it's like 12 level of base or whatever, and then I will get like $5 profit from you. You just fucking playing the game, and you can help me out. I'm probably gonna take you like an hour to do so, so I'd be like super appreciate about that. Yeah, thank you very much, guys, one more time, and I will dive into the TSUBASA game, because obviously I just wanna do one more video about the TSUBASA game, despite the fact I told you everything what's my project right now, but I just like to talk, I guess. So take care and bye for now.